Hello, so this is a kind of an AutoCAD one, so just trying to do some toolbar stuff. So I've just brought in my own custom toolbar here, or my own ribbon, and I'm going to create a new custom toolbar. So first of all, I like to put this is a little tip, I like to put my layers up here on the quick access toolbar. I find that useful. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a toolbar. So let's go into the custom user interface. So CUI, return, and go to your toolbars and just click on the top and go new toolbar. And we're going to call this AirCAD, I guess, for argument's sake. So what I'll do is I'll make this all capitals so it'll stick out more. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to put some commands in there. So this is like another way of just having more commands available on the screen. So what we can do is let's type in something, save. So save and close, which is quite a popular one for me. I already have it on the palette, but I want to put it in here also. So I'm going to put that in there, save and close, and I'll put in my fillet radius 0, another favorite of mine. And we can also put in subsections here, but I won't worry about that for now. And trim extend system, my other favorite one. So that's those three. And now we can go to stuff that you have to right click for. So let's say we have, so you can go through them all, they're all here. Isolate, so you can pick any of these, right, and put them on this toolbar. So I'm just looking for the basic isolate objects. So that basic isolate objects, and I want to do end object isolation. And then also we'll do some of the draw order ones. So you can do anything you want. So draw order, bring to front. And draw order, send to back. Plot preview, plot style manager, plot. I'm going to put plot on there. So basically you can put anything you want in here, right? So if we see, here's our palette, and this is the order we're in. You can see the commands are over here if you ever need to change them or edit them, which you probably shouldn't go near them if they're in properly. So we'll do apply. Okay, and there you go, there you have a tool palette. So this is like an easy way of doing this. So we can put this up here, and now once you keep adding to this, you can have this go the whole way across the top. Now the only problem is you're going to need to kind of know them, but you'll get to know them after a little bit of time. So this obviously is not going to work here, right? Because you're going to open more files, so you're probably going to have to put it here. So you're going to have to get used to having the extra bar across the top. Now it's probably better to have it here when it's so small. So you have your save and close. So your draw order is here. So these are not in the order I want them in, right? So what we can do is let's go back into the custom user interface and let's see if we can move them. We should be able to, right? So, but I'm just not sure. So let's go in here, draw order, send to back. Yeah, so yeah, maybe I'll put a separator in. So what I'll do, so you can have a fly out, remove, duplicate. Yeah, so duplicate didn't work because I didn't want it to duplicate right there. So I'm going to remove. I'm going to do these three, and then insert a separator, isolate objects, end object isolation, and then I'll insert a separator. So let's see what this looks like. And then we'll do draw order, bring send to back. We'll put it in there, and then we'll just put in another separator. We'll see what that looks like. Apply. Okay. And there you go. We've got them separated a little bit. So you can basically have a lot of toolbars, a lot of different commands across here. So you don't have to start clicking through here. So what I would suggest is, as you're using things, just have a notepad and put it next to you, and all the things that you find important, save them and put them on this toolbar here, and it'll save you coming up top here, clicking on these. I hope that helps. Actually, I'm going to do this one, attach. So let's see. CUI. So it's that easy. Just go back in, go back to your toolbars, go back down to the one that you have named, and then I want to come in here, attach, and I'll put this down here with the plot. It'll do in that section. So you can put all your advanced steel ones in here. Any one that I have on this ribbon I can put in here, so it's quite useful. Yeah, I quite like it. I'm probably going to set it up with everything across the top here. Now, as you know, as you might know, I also have some in the toolbar over here, but I just have a couple, to be honest. I don't get too crazy with it. So anyway, I hope that helps. It's kind of it's more of an AutoCAD thing. So you can see, you can set up the whole way across here. Some people have 2 rows of these, and you know, it's definitely useful. All right, take care. Hope that helps.